All right, day 19. I need to get better with remembering what day it is when I'm doing these videos. Finally went to Popeyes. I got the 10-piece, whatever they call these, chicken strips, boneless. You can just call them strips. 10-piece strips. Doesn't sound like the right name to me. I never go to Popeyes. Popeyes is good. I always forget how expensive they are. Me and my wife always talk about it, and that's why I hardly ever want to go. But I always underestimate it. I was like, all right, I had 2 combos planned. I'm gonna get, this is a mix, by the way, of spicy and regular. They're already freaking cold. Popeyes is so far away. And I was gonna get 2 orders of fries, 2 biscuits, and this, and it was gonna be like perfect. Well, that was gonna be, it's like, what, $8.99 or something for the meals? So screw that. So, oh my God. I got this sauces. So liquidy. And good. Sweet heat. This stuff is legit. But, where was I at? Oh yeah, so I just got this, and I've got 1,000 more calories to work with. So, there'll be another video. I'll probably go get like a blizzard or something. I'm feeling some ice cream. This right here, 1,133 calories. These are 70 a piece. I've got 3 planned in. We'll see how many I need. I'll use less if I can. All right. So for anyone who's just joining in, this is day 19 or 20, probably 19, maybe 18. Pretty sure it's 19 of my 30 days of fast food only, where I am proving that you can lose weight no matter what you eat, as long as your calories are below maintenance. So, let's dig in. I think this is a spicy one. They're already so cold. Still good though. There's a big difference between cold and old. They're fresh when I got them. Another old Popeyes once, and it was disgusting. It was like the worst meal to be old too. It was in, where was it? I don't remember. It was in the airport on the day that I joined the Army. So I joined up and was with my receiving whoever. I don't know. I should probably know all these words. But it was my last meal before going to basic. OSIT, rather. And I was like, all right, sweet. Have a good meal. Go to Popeyes in the airport. Disgusting. It was so dry and nasty. And then it was off to having 5 minutes to eat terrible, terrible food for 4 months. It was awesome. Oh my God. Dude. It's worse than eating that burger. Well, just jaw pain wise. I'm so tired of chicken already. I don't want any more chicken. I'm so over it. Completely over this meal. Oh my God. Well, I'm done with this. I cannot eat anymore. It's starting to taste terrible. But, worry not. Gonna look at the footage, see how many I ate, figure out those calories, and come back with however morning a better grasp on the English language and however many more calories I need. So, not just saying screw these calories. I'll eat them today. Don't you worry. But I'm good on that. Oh my god. I don't know why. It's not even that much food. Unless they gave me like a crap ton. I don't know. All I know is I don't want any more chicken strips. So, video number 1 is over.